it's on the cusp of pivoting back to growth very soon. The forecasts for next year are very bullish.
Which company you are looking to hold right now and why?
For my pick on stocks to hold, I'm choosing McDonald's. Stock's up about 9% since it reported earnings in July, and the report wasn't that good. Same store sales were down for the first time since 2020, and you'd have to go back a lot further than 2020 to find the last time it did it before then. So this wasn't a great report, and the stock's up 9%. Kind of feels to me like most of the growth has been priced in. I like McDonald's. I like the company. It pays an attractive and a growing dividend that I don't see being in any danger. There's been a lot of talk about issues about demand and pricing, and I don't think any of those issues are issues that a healthier economy and a healthier consumer won't fix. It was investing in digital well before 2020, and that's paying off today. All of that being said, and going back to the rubric that you asked us to talk about at the beginning of how do we determine whether a stock's a buy, sell, and a hold, I think the next few quarters are going to be challenging for the company in terms of stock price growth. It's trading at about 23 times forward earnings. It was around 21 times forward earnings before the run up. The analyst forecasts on MarketBeat are a little bit more bullish about McDonald's than I am. They have it as a moderate buy, but the 9% run up on a challenging earnings report lends me to think that most of the growth, at least in the short term, is already priced into the stock.
Thomas, where do you sit on McDonald's? Are you a McDonald's fan and especially a fan of what the company is doing right now?
Oh, well, according to McDonald's internal data, I'm a super heavy user. I do like McDonald's. I'm probably part of why the stock price keeps going up. But right now, the earnings report was a bit of a concern. We don't want to see this company contracting. We certainly don't want to see a negative comp. But what I think the results really show is the diversified nature of the business because US was weak, Latin America was banging. Latin America is crushing it for a lot of different companies. So I would definitely look in that direction for some investments. But as far as McDonald's goes, it's on the cusp of pivoting back to growth very soon. The forecasts for next year are very bullish. The analysts have trimmed their targets since the last report, but they're still looking at about 10 to 15% upside, which puts the market back at the all-time high. Any kind of good news will push it to a new all-time high, and I think that could come with the FOMC.